This is the Oraimo Power Box 60,000 milliampere power bank. They call it Power Box on Oraimo website. So yeah, this is Oraimo Power Box, okay, and I'm going to give you my review after using it for some time. If you haven't watched the unboxing, if you haven't watched the first impression as well, you can also watch it in the comment section or the description. Check it out and watch the unboxing. Now, with my experience using the power bank, there is three things that I have to say. Three major things that I have to say about the device. And also, there is something that I noticed that I think sharing with you will also benefit you as well. So let's start and show you more about the power bank. It is just simple. One thing that you should know is that it is a little bit heavy, not that much, but holding it like this and walking around with this is cool, okay, but you know, you can't put this in the bag whole time. Mostly you have to hold it like this to travel in and out, okay. Putting your bag may be okay, but you could feel the weight when you just put the bag on, okay. So yes, it is a good device. That's one best thing that I can say about the device. The device is good. The power bank can charge my device up to almost 12 times, okay. So per every charge I see a reduction of 10% of the power bank, okay. Although they have this power bank, that's a digital display right here that can really show you the percentage of the battery, okay, or the power bank, okay. So mostly when I notice per the checks, okay, I could see that per every charge I get close to 10%. That's almost 10% reduction. So after a long period of time of charging my device with a power bank only, yes, I noticed I got close to 12 charge. And you may ask, what device was I charging it with? That's my device, Techno Camon 30, okay. So I got 12 charge, almost 12 charge with the power bank. And charging the device really takes a long time. With my first charge with the device, I use 17 watt charger, okay, to charge the device, and I got 16 hours. That's close to 17 hours before it goes to 100%. So always expect just a normal day, that's close to 1 day, 24 hours for charging the power bank or the power box, okay. Yes, so expect that period of charging the power. That's almost close to a day before you get a full charge. And charging your device, mostly 1 hour 30 minutes it is full, okay. It doesn't delay like that, although they have this fast charge whereby you can fastly charge your device right here with these two ports, and then this one also charges though, but these two ports are faster than these two ports per my check, okay. So you can get the fast charge right there when you are using a cable that also supports fast charge. So although you may think that it supports fast charge, so every cable, no, it's not every cable. There are some particular cable, so cable that supports fast charge, yes. When you just put it right here, you just insert your phone, you get a fast charge, okay. And mostly you will see it on your device, you will see fast charge activated on your device. So expect something like this. So as you see on the screen, yes, these are some of the things that you may be seeing as you are using that port for fast charging, okay. So another thing that I noticed about the device that I would like to share is the touch light right here. And this is one of the things that really shocked me. Although the touch light was working, but I tried to, you know, check it out to see the time that this device can really go with just only the touch light, and it took like 4 days. It took like 4 days just on. But one thing was that I was only seeing 100% on the power bank, so it was just like 100%, and it wasn't like you see 90, 80, and then you see 0. So at some point the device went off. I tried to turn on, it wasn't turning on. I was like, bro, what did I do? Did I just, you know, destroy the device or something? So I just tried turn on the touch light, it wasn't working. Nothing was working until I put it on charge and I saw 0%. So I was like, okay, that means that when the touch light alone is on like that without you turning it off and then the digital display going off, you always be seeing the 100%. But when it goes off and then when you turn on and then it's not turning on and then you put it on charge, you see 0%. So it wasn't any bad thing, but I think that this is something that was my experience, let me say it that way. So that was my experience with the device as I was using the touch light alone, just on, okay. So that was the day that I got using just only the touch light. Now one thing that I would like to also say is the device itself, the body itself. Looking at it, cleaning the device is very easy. It is not that hard for you to clean the device. If water, oil, whatever spill on it, Cleaning it is very easy, smooth, and because of how the device body is made, it's not easy to get scratches or something like those on the device. Okay, so it was easy to clean. Wipe clean is very fast. Okay, it's very okay for my side per my experience, although at this side you will see some little dust inside there, but on the body all the time you will see it as neat all the time. So yes, that was my experience with the body as well. Now, one thing I would like to also talk about is when you tap on the power button twice, there is one activation that goes on, one feature that they call it slow charge, or just like to reduce the rate at which it is charging your device so that it can get long life. Okay, so when it turn on that way, okay, don't expect fast charge. You shouldn't expect fast charging when you turn on that feature. That is one thing that I noticed, and yes, it was working that way. So when you turn on that one to deactivate, you just double click on the power button. So you tap on it twice to activate the slow charge, or you tap on it twice to also turn off the slow charge. So yes, that was my experience with the device, with the leather right here for you to hold the device. It was very fine. It's nice. So it's good. I like it just because it was able to charge my device for that long time, up to even 12 times per charging with the power bank. So it's cool. If you want to get one, yes, check in the comment section. There is a link. Tap on it and then buy it on Oraimo website. Okay, you can get it there and then you can order to your location. I will show you how you can order items. So you can also check in the comment section to see whether I have made that video on how you can buy things on Oraimo website. Okay, and also when you use my promo code, that's also take you also get discount. So just take note of that and use my promo code whilst you are buying it. So everything is in the video of how you can purchase things or items on Oraimo website. So check it out right there in the description or in the comment section. I've also made a lot of videos about Oraimo headsets, Oraimo smartwatch, and a lot. So everything that you need about Oraimo devices, headsets, there is a lot that is coming very soon. So just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, let's say you have bought this device, okay, if you have one of these, share your experience in the comment section or the description. Sorry, in the comment section, and then let's talk right there. So share your experience as a user as you bought the device. There is more coming right here on this platform. Make sure you subscribe and like the video for more videos right here on this platform. Stay alive and bye for now.